Good evening, Mrs. Jones. How are you today? Fantastic. I need to empty your urinary drainage bag. Is that okay? I'm going to close your curtain for privacy, wash my hands, get my supplies, and I'll be right back. After washing my hands, I'll get my supplies. We're going to start with the chucks. This is going to go on the floor under the bag. We're going to place the barrier on the floor directly under the urinary drainage bag. So we'll unfold it and we'll place it under the bag with the absorbent side facing up. I'm going to go get a set of gloves. And we're going to get the graduate container out of the drawer. You need to make sure that you put your gloves on before you get the graduate container. We're going to place the container on the barrier directly underneath the bag. We use the emptying port to empty the bag. This is a T-valve. We slide it to the side to open the valve, and then we're going to empty the urine into the graduate container without letting that port touch anything. Once the bag is empty, we'll close the port and place it back in its little house. All right, Ms. Jones, I just want to check to make sure the tubing is coiled on the bed and you're not lying on it, and that it's not coiled near the floor either, where it could become a tripping hazard. Now, I can wrap the chucks around my graduate container for safe and secure transport to the bathroom. We're going to set it down on the lid of the bedside commode and unwrap it, turning the cup around so that we can read the amount of urine that's in the cup. We need to be at eye level. It needs to be on a flat surface and on a barrier. I'm going to throw the chucks away. Open the lid and the seat and dispose of the urine into the bedside commode. I'll rinse the cup and dispose of the rinse water into the bedside commode as well. We'll close that, set the graduate container down in the sink, and disinfect it per facility policy. I'll pick it up with a paper towel, dry the inside with a paper towel, throw that away, dry the outside with a paper towel, throw that away, and one more for the drawer. Okay, Miss Jones, I'm just going to return this to storage using a paper towel to open the drawer. And closing the drawer, we'll throw those paper towels away, and then I can remove my gloves. You take a peek at your tubing just one last time. Everything looks good. Are you comfortable, Mrs. Jones? Is there anything else I can get for you while I'm here? No? Would you like a magazine before I go? Your bed is in a low position. Your environment is clean. I'm going to open the curtain. Here's your call light. If you need anything at all, just press that red button. We'll be happy to come back and assist you. Thank you very much. I'm going to go wash my hands. After washing my hands, we'll document the amount of output on the documentation sheet provided by the evaluator. We're going to document the time of output, the type of output, which is urine, the amount of output in cc's, and my initials. And we want to make sure that we're documenting in the output section. After documenting, I'll wash my hands one final time. After washing my hands a final time, I'll review the care plan, make any corrections, and then tell the evaluator my skill is done.